Hi guys, look where I am. This is so not funny. I was in hospital the 1st of January and I said that was the last time. That was when I broke my tailbone. Now in February, I'm here again. I just can't believe it, but this time I'm in so much pain.
Tell them why you're here.
Alicia, what are those words? The English words.
Colitis and
Or something.
pretty
Well,
much.
basically,
You say. Go.
you say.
You say.
No, it's too embarrassing. You say it.
So colitis means mum's got an inflammation in her intestines. And then the other one is the reason why. So the reason why she's got colitis is because she ate a fruit that had bird poo on it.
I didn't see there was poo in a bird. Well, we think that is what it is. But the only reason why you would get it is there must be poo involved. So poo must have got into my mouth.
Yeah, because there would have been poo, bird poo, on the fruit that you ate. So my mom is literally here because she ate bird crap. Don't eat bird crap, kids. Stay away and wash your fruit before you eat it, or else you'll end up like this lady.
My mom used to tell me that all the time, but did I listen?
No.
I didn't.
That's what happens when you don't listen to your mom, kids. Otherwise, you'll end up like this lady.
And I'm telling you, this is not fun. I'm in agony, and I know it doesn't look like it, but the stomach pains are not worth it. Not to even start talking about the diarrhea.
Yeah.
It is I'm not swearing, but it's a big, big disaster. Not fun. Everything that goes in my mouth is coming out. My staple food at the moment, Alicia's actually really not funny.
It's actually really funny.
Is ice cubes.
Yeah, all she's been eating is ice cubes.
I have ice cubes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Look, they brought her this meal, right? She ate like none of it. She ate none of it. It's supposed to be spaghetti bolognese.
So I don't know where all the poo is coming from. I guess it's out of the drip or something.
Yeah.
But it's just awful. Just awful.
But at least you have your own room.
But I'm so glad. There's always something to be thankful for. The staff here at Tarang Hospital is absolutely amazing.
And she's got a room with a view, guys. Look at this view. Beautiful. Got a beautiful view. How great.
And I'm so glad the other patients are glad. I'm sure the other patients are thankful that I'm isolated, because I'm isolated. I think I was so tired this afternoon and I fell asleep, and I think I snored actually, because I woke up and my throat was quite dry, and I woke up and I thought, did I just snore myself awake? Is it even possible? And then I just fell back asleep straight away. And then when I woke up, the door was shut down and all the curtains were closed.
Like this curtain that stops people coming in.
Yeah, so I think maybe I was snoring too loud so that people heard me when possible. I hope I didn't wake up the other patients while snoring in my own room. But I had so many messages and prayers and stuff that I really appreciate. And look, my beautiful plant that Lynette brought me.
It is so
Thank
cute.
you, Lynette.
Thanks, Lynette.
That's so special. Lynette was very brave to come and see me at hospital.
Because mum's in isolation.
It is very contagious, apparently.
So no kisses for mama.
No. So yes, here we are. Don't know. I might be going home tomorrow. I don't know. They say they have to keep me hydrated. So we'll see. I still have a few.
And they're about to change
ivy.
this because this is a literal bloody mess.
Yeah.
That is so gross.
I know. They have to put it now in my other hand. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
Oh, what if it hurts?
It's going to feel the exact same as when that one went on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. See you guys soon. I thought I'll just keep you updated with my interesting life.
Don't eat bird poo.